Comparing Xfinity and Starry Internet as of July 2025 reveals significant differences in availability, pricing, and technology approaches. Xfinity, operated by Comcast, is the largest cable internet provider in the United States. Starry is a newer fixed wireless internet provider focused on select major cities. The most significant difference is availability. Xfinity covers over 125 million people across the United States, while Starry is limited to just 5 major cities. Xfinity offers internet-only plans ranging from $55 to $100 per month, with download speeds from 300 to 2,000 megabits per second. Starry's plans vary by location, offering speeds from 100 to 800 megabits per second. The providers use fundamentally different technologies. Xfinity primarily uses cable internet connections with hybrid fiber coaxial infrastructure, while Starry uses fixed wireless technology with millimeter wave bands to deliver internet to buildings. In summary, Xfinity offers widespread availability and various speed tiers with recent upgrades, while Starry provides fixed wireless technology in select cities with competitive speeds and an affordable housing program. Data caps are a crucial consideration when choosing an internet provider. Understanding how Xfinity and Starry handle data usage limits can significantly impact your monthly costs and internet experience. Xfinity's data policy has evolved significantly. While their plans may include a 1.2 terabyte monthly data cap, they currently offer unlimited data on all plans as part of their recent pricing restructure. Starry takes a different approach with no data caps whatsoever. This means unlimited usage without worrying about overage fees or throttling, providing peace of mind for heavy internet users. Customer support quality can make or break your internet experience. The responsiveness and helpfulness of technical support often determines customer satisfaction levels. Xfinity receives mixed reviews for customer service. Many customers report experiencing long wait times when calling for support, and service quality can be inconsistent across different regions and support channels. Starry has built a reputation for responsive customer support. Their smaller customer base allows for more personalized service, and they consistently receive positive feedback for quick resolution times and helpful technical assistance. Looking toward the future, both companies have distinct strategic directions that will shape their service offerings and market positioning in the coming years. Xfinity is investing heavily in network infrastructure upgrades. They're focused on achieving symmetrical upload and download speeds, deploying DOCSIS 4.0 technology, and expanding their bundled service offerings that combine internet with TV, mobile, and home security. Starry is taking a more conservative approach, focusing on achieving profitability in their existing markets. They're concentrating on their core cities, potentially selling their fixed wireless technology to other providers, and have put expansion plans on hold while they stabilize their business model. These strategic differences reflect each company's market position. Xfinity leverages its massive infrastructure and customer base for comprehensive service expansion, while Starry focuses on sustainable growth and service quality in select urban markets.